Friends, today we will discuss about the family members and how they help each other. Come, let's start. Our parents look after us. They love us. They care for us. They give us food and clothes. They give us toys to play with. They send us to school. They teach us good habits. They look after us when we fall sick. They help in our school homework. My father works and earns money for the family. My mother works at home. She cooks food for the family. She keeps the house neat and clean. In some families, mothers also go to work and earn money. Our parents do a lot for us. We also help our parents. We help them in keeping the house neat and clean. Sometimes we help our mother in the kitchen. We entertain guests when our parents are not at home. We help our parents by doing small jobs. We water plants every day. We do our homework quietly. Our parents feel happy when we help them. We must obey, respect and love our parents. Okay friends, bye for now and meet you soon with another topic.